Keys. Fans.
Yo, it's Cam, and today we're doing mukbang. We haven't done mukbangs in like a long time. Well, not even that long, but we missed doing it, so we're bringing this video to you from this place called Chicken and Waffles in Chicago, and it's like, so right now I'm eating it's called the Rosemary. It's omelet with chicken and a whole bunch of other stuff, and then under it is waffle. It was really amazing.
I have fried liver. Yum yum.
It was like fried
And
turkeys.
I almost got scared because that's what I opened it up to, but there's another waffle underneath. Did it pick up? Yeah, it did.
So, wow, how's it?
Ew.
It's kind of crazy.
I just want my liver. I used to eat these with jalapeno peppers.
So this is the. Oh my gosh. So what's life been going like for you?
Amazing.
You're fake healthy because
I'm very healthy.
Yeah,
I have, yes I am.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I just cheat on my diet. I lie. Every chance I get.
Every day you cheat on your diet.
Can you even taste? Would you like some waffles with your syrup? Oh my goodness.
Well, I like some waffles with my syrup.
Yeah.
That doesn't even make sense.
It doesn't, because that's a lot of syrup. Y'all, Cameron made me some waffles one time. I was like, wow.
So if you guys know,
Syrup, whipped cream,
yes, what?
and waffles.
What?
But it was mostly
Whipped
syrup
cream.
and whipped cream.
Yes. Whipped cream. What? She don't know about what?
I like it, but you just poured it on there.
The point.
No, I like the bread.
But why would you? Like, I feel. Put the
No.
Why would you wouldn't put
No.
waffles? Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm eating this with my hand. I can't take it anymore.
See, if you took me on prom, I would eat my food like an elegant young man that I am.
An elegant young man?
Yes.
Because that's what every girl dreams of. I want an elegant prom day.
Yes. I will have one of those things on my eye, a fake
A
mustache,
monocle?
and one of them Abraham Lincoln hats. Like, hey, how you doing, young lady? My name is Cameron. Yo, see? So, what was I was about to ask a question. How does it feel to be sister Cam?
That's cool,
That's
whatever.
awesome. Yeah. You said Cam, it's the best thing that ever happened to you. I know.
No. That's definitely not what I said. So do you guys like liver?
No. I mean, I like it, but that looks nasty.
No.
But
You better eat it. Oh. it. I love liver with mashed potatoes. Cameron, how did this turn?
Alright, since we got 1,000 subscribers, which is your favorite Key Camera fan video?
Yes.
Hmm?
I'm hard. I dance when I get food.
Which one's your favorite?
My favorite? I have a few.
That's not what I asked.
Maybe I'll make a playlist of my personal favorite video.
Okay. What are your top 5 things to do on YouTube?
What are my top favorite things to do? Look at awesome videos.
Like?
Just different videos. Look at the comments.
Okay.
Like if it's some tea being spilled in the video, I immediately scroll to the comments like, ooh. What? I do a lot of watch laters. Like my watch later playlist is ridiculously long at this point.
6 months ago, did you see yourself doing YouTube?
6 months ago?
6 months ago.
Nah.
Yes and no. I've always wanted to, but I was scared.
Nah. I didn't see myself doing it because Snapchat is basically my YouTube, and then I started actually getting involved with liking it, and then we had to talk as a family. So yeah, not at 6 months, no, not 6 months.
What vacation would you love to take YouTube on?
Disney.
That's it.
Watching YouTube channels, what is something that you've learned over these past 5 months about YouTube?
And YouTube is a lot of work.
That, and it's like it's a community. It's a community.
It's a whole community of new people.
Yeah.
And
it's a
YouTube
community.
is not just uploading video and that's.
More so like.
If you want quality videos,
Yeah.
you gotta spend some money.
You gotta spend some. Yeah, definitely. You definitely gotta spend some.
Unless
money.
you're just a hoarder and you just have all types of stuff in your house. You have to go out and buy stuff.
Yeah, and it's like, but it's like one thing with YouTube. It could definitely. You learn so much. You meet new people. You meet people from everywhere. So that's pretty chill.
I have a friend in the UK. Hi, Andy.
Yo,
Like,
my
I
God.
never thought I would have a friend from the UK. Like,
And I actually be getting noticed by people now, you know, because I mean, I'm Cam,
it's Cam. Yeah.
like your coworker, so that was pretty chill.
2 things that you could change about Cam.
2 things.
2 things. Well, I'm awesome. Why would you want to change anything about me?
2 things that you would change about Cam.
What, as far as YouTube or?
Personality, just 2 things.
I don't know. For him to listen to me when I'm rambling.
That's never gonna happen. That's never gonna happen.
For him to stop taking my stuff.
I've never taken your
Yes,
stuff.
you do. You use my hair products.
No, I don't.
And you only have waves. Like,
360s.
get it together. You don't need my hair
What do
products.
you all think when people think automatically that you all are a couple?
It creeps me out. It creeps me out. Kara's on my
I don't
type.
even.
No, it creeps me out because it's like, you know.
Well, you like healthier women, so of course Kiara wouldn't.
Okay, we're not
You
even
like
talking.
healthier women.
That's yeah.
I'm healthy.
Okay, yeah. But Key. When people say that, it's like creepy.
I can't say that it's creepy because it's been going on for years now at this point. Now, when we were, obviously, when I was like 11 and he was 7, they were like, oh, that's so cute with your brother. But it's like, once he went through puberty, they were just like, oh, that's so cute, y'all want to date? And it's like, no.
Like, I remember me and Key went out for Sweetest Day, right?
That was so dumb.
Oh my God,
And
it's terrible.
We
went to
didn't
the movies
realize
and dinner.
until we were at the movies. And
I was trying
what
to
happened was, the girl, you remember? Because I was going to pay for my ticket and he was going to pay for his. So she was looking at camera like, you can't even pay for your girl's ticket? I'm like, this is my brother. It's okay. All right?
That's the toughest
I
thing.
literally had to tell her, like, this is my brother. Because she was like, yeah, they need to split this up because he don't want to pay for her stuff. No, My brother's not.
They said
Yeah.
wow.
I'm like,
And it was
my
like a whole
brother's
bunch of
not
other women
ratchet.
around. Like,
He's.
that's one thing
I'm
with
his
Keith.
sister. We're not on a date. We're not on a date.
We're not a couple. One thing with Keith though, it'd be tough though, cause it'd be like, man, it'd be beautiful women walking past, and I just can't say nothing, cause.
That's what
Well, I mean, I can say something, but they automatically think like, yo.
Just
they're
tell
walking
them like,
together.
hey, you're pretty. You're pretty. And then she go, what about your girl? Oh, that's my sister.
Like,
Just do it.
Then you say that, no, cause I've said that like, yo, this my sister or whatever. To like one of my like, cause you know I call some of my female friends sisters and stuff.
You messed yourself up with that.
Yeah, I do.
That's your fault.
All right.
Well, maybe we gotta walk around with brother and sister shirts from now on.
Yes,
I think
let's
that
do
would
that.
be really, really good.
We do. Any other questions, Mom?
I'll save it for the next video.
All right, 2 things you want to change about Kiara. No, I'm just kidding. Ain't nothing I'll change about my sister. She's awesome. Even though she's irritating, she's awesome. So, you know.
Really sweet.
Yeah, no, I ain't sweet.
Did you just call me irritating?
Yeah. You got, it's a compliment sound. Compliment and so compliment.
That's right. I almost felt special. Are you full? Oh.
Yeah. But,
Ow.
well, we'll get back to you guys later. We thank you guys for everything, and we out.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And we out.
And let us know
We out.
what would you stop. Let us know what you would like to see from us in future videos.
Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I said that.
17:38.
Like, share, and subscribe.
And like, share,
Please. Would y'all please?
please like, share, subscribe.